Hi, Jan Francis.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
How's your experience here in Finland? Kumusta ka?
Masaya. Ang saya dito sa Finland. Kahit hindi na ako nanalo, panalo pa rin ako sa experience ko dito. Maraming kaibigan na nakilala, maraming tao na nakilala. At especially, maraming lugar na napupuntahan. Kaya, I'm so happy na nakapunta po ako dito. At I think I'm already a winner on that way.
So, ano ang pwede nilang i-expect sa'yo pagdating natin sa Pilipinas?
Same pa rin kung sino yung Francis na nakilala nila. Ako pa rin po yung Francis na nakilala nyo pagdating ko sa Pilipinas.
Ayan. So, may mga gigs ka, no? Upcoming?
Yes. Meron po. Maraming nag-inquire. Maraming po nag-chat sa akin. Kaya I'm so thankful na nakita po nila yung performance ko din sa Finland. Yes.
Congratulations again. We look forward to seeing you more online and in more events as well.
Thank you so much.
Ayan. Isang iconic nga na dyan. Isang iconic na yung yun. Sige. Isang nga dyan. Bohemian Rhapsody. Yung ating final, yung performance level.
Alright.
Alright.
Mamma mia, yes, as a devil for the size for me.
Yay! Congratulations! So if you want to listen to that song, just go to the new channel or go to KWC Philippines. You will hear that song, and then I think they're also going to upload parts of the live, as they said, on KWC Karaoke World Championships Facebook page and YouTube channel. Congratulations, Jan Francis!
Thank you so much.
We're so proud of you. Woo!